Welcome back to another episode of Daily Driven Sports Cars. This episode, it's miserable because we got about 4 inches of snow overnight, which honestly isn't too bad, but it's a bit exaggerated, it seems, because it's the first of the season. Gotta wipe that off. Free advertising. Is there a better way than being escorted by the plow truck? It doesn't look like he's dropping salt, so that's the only reason I'm happy right now. But guys, look at this snow. This all happened overnight. It's like, I would assume 4 or 5 inches. Had to wipe off the car this morning. Still have the all seasons on, which is a bit scary. Going to be taking those off probably Wednesday and switching them for the winter set. Whoa, big chunk in the road. A bit of a social experiment going on. So I've been helping Carson out as his car is in storage this entire week, and I've been helping him with the ceramic coating we're putting on. So I told him he has to get my gas today, but he gets to choose how much he puts in the tank.
You do 91 or 93?
93. So we're about to see just how generous Carson is. It's a bit blurry, but we'll get the final numbers for you. Carson's generous today, over $8. No sign of stopping soon as he is going the extra mile, cleaning the ice and crap off my windshield. Guys, where are we right now? $14? I'm not sure what I expected, but looks like he's being very generous today. I think he's filling it up. Does he know I'm empty? Scraped off the back, and we just passed $30 on the gas. I think he's filling it up to the brim. For that generosity, oh my gosh, he did. He filled it right up. $33, ladies and gentlemen. For that kind of generosity, let's go give Carson a follow on Instagram. He just made his car account for the C63 AMG. Absolute beauty, $33. Aha, good morning. Oh my goodness, ladies and gents. Hopefully that sounded good. I just threw my phone in the snow, so now it's all wet. That's cool. Good start to the day. Ugh. Whoa, what do we have here, you ask? Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have our winter tires, the Bridgestone Blizzaks on the stock wheels here, going on today. Oh shoot, I forgot my center caps. Gonna have to put those on when I get home, but we are changing the wheel setup today. But as you can probably tell by the title, that is not all we're doing. We are changing out the brakes for a little sportier option. I'm pretty pumped about it. As a little disclaimer, I am not doing the work myself on this project. I had the parts ordered from my mechanic and tuner, and he's going to be taking care of it today because I've got a lot to do. I like working on my car myself for quite a lot of things, but for brakes and new rotors and all that sort of stuff, I'm just gonna leave it to him. So before you go dislike the video and leaving your angry comment, just bear with me. I do DIY my channel sometimes, just not for this sort of stuff. So I am very excited to be putting those on because, as you guys know, probably from the last couple videos, or at least some of my older ones, you know that my brakes needed to be replaced. Right now, I am riding on them, and when I brake, it's giving me this like kind of deal, which isn't good because on the rally, I went a little bit over the speed limit and then had to stop my car, and ultimately got some of the pads sticking to my rotors, may have ruined them all. We'll see. Before we do that, we are stopping at M22 Detailing. Evan has been kind enough to give me a ride to the tuner and back. Well, kind of, he's giving me a ride back. Obviously, I'm driving this car there. We're putting the hustle on this morning, running a couple minutes behind because I decided to sleep in like a lazy bum. I've got a haircut today. I've got a job interview for a real life job. We're going through it today. We are busy day, but we got some good lighting right now, so that's pretty cool. We got the snowfall down, which is another big reason we're putting the snow tires on. 10 o'clock on the dot, pulling in, ladies and gents. Always figure out a way to get here on time. If you tell someone you're gonna be somewhere, usually it's best to show up 5 minutes early, but second best time is right on time. Whoa! Yeah, we need our snow tires on like now. Nice little slow acceleration. Something really cool. My window opens again. Now, that may not be a huge deal to most people, but my car, as you guys probably know, sits outside all the time. So like overnight in the winter, and it's 24 degrees right now. So my window is stuck shut for a couple days. And if you guys don't know, Audi, specifically the S5 with no bezel, it's just like glass when you open the door. In order to close the door for a lot of coupes, what has to happen is the door actually shuts, and then the glass tucks up underneath whatever the heck this is. This is the A-pillar, but then it, you know, keeps going. So the glass has to tuck, but what was happening was the glass was stuck, so my door wouldn't shut. So I was getting the beep, 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 whatever, and I had to let it thaw basically before I could roll my window up or shut my door. Welp, we are arriving, ladies and gents, and the next time you see this car, it's gonna have brand new rotors, brand new brake pads, the sort, and unfortunately, yes, the winter wheels. Now, ladies and gentlemen, fast forward, it is 5:30 p.m. Just got the car back from Worldwide, and the brakes are on. I will get a video of the brakes tomorrow. As you can see, the lighting is not really on our side today, as the sun sets quite early now in the wintertime. But watch this. Braking is as smooth as ever. Oh my gosh, guys, the rotors look so good. Explain a little bit more tomorrow. Let's transition there. Did the snap transition. All right, forgive my bummery here if it sounds like I just woke up, because I kind of did, but I wanted to make this video first thing because I promised yesterday that I would show you guys what the rotors look like, and here they are. So I'm super pumped about it. We did do all four corners. I say we a little loosely because putting the center caps on is the most I actually did for this install process. As I mentioned earlier in the video, I trust my tuner much more than I trust myself to put things on, like brakes, new parts, you know, that sort of business. That's just because I prefer a Los Santos custom style, you know, just drive up. Any of my GTA players out there? Oh man. Yeah, I gotta get these wheels cleaned, but that looks really good. Those will get me stopped awfully quickly. And now I can keep up on the rally with all my friends without fear of dying. Well, those look good, and they'll definitely help stop the car. I know because I actually tried out yesterday. Paired with those Blizzak tires, that thing is bolted to the ground. It feels so smooth. The braking is just so much different than I ever could have imagined, because before, I wish you guys could have felt it here in my garage. If you guys just skipped to this part of the video, I highly encourage you to go back, watch the entire thing. I put a lot of effort into my videos, so go watch, enjoy, consume, click like, you know, all that business. But I did promise a Christmas giveaway, ladies and gentlemen. I do like giving. It is the season of giving. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want to make something very clear. I did not randomly select this winner. This was not a random number generator, nothing like that, as I did in my previous giveaway. Now, with that said, there was absolutely no bias in my decision. So I handpicked this winner from everybody that entered in the giveaway. I picked somebody who has been a long-term subscriber of mine, who likes all my Instagram pictures. I see you guys. When you guys like my Instagram pictures, when you like my videos, when you comment on my videos, I see your names, I see all that. I picked somebody whose name I see a lot in the comments, a lot in the likes. Just a really active subscriber, really cool guy. Also has a B8.5 S5. Congratulations to Griffin. Griffin, email me your full name and address so I can get you the stuff. I'm going to ship this stuff to you on Amazon, so it's already in my cart. It's ready to rip. Just, yeah, send me that stuff as soon as you can, as soon as you see this, and I'll get that to you shortly. Hopefully it's there, you know, soon. Should be, what, 2 days? Plus, I think you're in the US as well. So, congratulations, Griffin. To everybody else, thank you for watching the video. Thank you for entering the giveaway. If you haven't already, like this video, subscribe if you're new and want to see more content like this. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the brake upgrade on the S5, which is outside right now. I keep like pointing to the garage door for some reason. I think it's a habit. I feel like I always am pointing at something. Thank you so much for watching. I am back from my little trip I did to Jamaica, so gonna be hitting you guys with some more videos. Don't worry about that. I know I haven't uploaded in like 5 days, so that's on me. We're back in the office. We're making videos again, so hit like, subscribe. See ya.